Get the drone in the air. This guy's about ready to eat a sandwich, and you've missed it twice.
He's about rolled 2 times.
We're out here at Jeep Safari, and it is awesome here in Moab. We got Clout in his 180 grand Jeep Gladiator Demon. It is a beast with 840 horse, and then I got my Mavar out here, and we got some Jeep friends. One thing we did notice, though, is with some measuring, the Mavar with 35s has more clearance than a Jeep with 37s, just because of that straight axle going across and the pumpkin in the middle. So pretty crazy to see how well these side-by-sides can climb. I just wish mine was a little bit more reliable.
We got the Demonator here, the 840 horse Demon Jeep Rubicon. Clout's done a lot to it. It's got 42s on it, but he needs a bobbed bed. He's been crying about it all week. Every time he sees a bobbed bed, he gets a chubby. Gets really excited, don't you, Clout?
A little bit.
Okay, just because he's been hitting on the back, so that's awesome. Look at that dent on this 180 grand Jeep. Just from working on it. The Jeep Demon Gladiator Rubicon.
It's a Demon car Challenger.
So what do you got going on with this, Clout?
Well, we've got the Evo double throwdown front end on her. She's riding a little rough right now. We got to get that worked out.
You haven't gotten it smoothed out?
No, we put some new springs on. I'm going to talk to Mel again. He's supposed to get a hold of me later on in the week. We're up here at Jeep Safari, and I don't know that we need to adjust the cut pressure and rebound. We put the springs in it like they want, but she's riding stiff.
Well, you already ran one set of springs and that was horrible, right? And now you're changing. You changed to another one that's a little bit better.
A little bit better.
But still not there, huh?
No, definitely not there. It's bottoming out under hard compression, and then it rides hard.
Yeah, we saw that. The old donut there got a little powwow.
Yeah.
She's pretty quick. With 42s, she'll get after it, you can tell. Moab has been invaded with the Jeep Safari right here.
Oh, was mine off that bad? Oh. He's feeling it. Butthole factor. He's back.
Hell's Revenge. The pro here guiding Mr. Red Sweater. He's got him locked and loaded. That Rubicon. The Rubicon's like, I'll hang out with the other Rubicon. Little does he know, the black one is a vagina. Goes south.
These guys sound exactly.
There's too much coaching. We want failure. You think if I give him that dude $75, he'll make him crash? Oh, go passenger, not driver. Right down the crack. Doing great, son.
Back before Jeeps were reliable, things would stop.
Really?
Yeah, now
Jeeps are too
everyone.
reliable.
Yep. We need to put these things in two-wheel drive. See, that would make it a challenge if everyone just did two-wheel drive. Well, he's high in the clouds. Way to go, Whitey. Right, Cloud's been talking a lot of smack because my four-wheel drive hasn't been working. So he's gonna have me do I'm gonna do the Escalator because the worst case scenario, I can just back out of it if two-wheel drive is only working. So I'm gonna do the Escalator. Do you think I can do it?
I don't know. It's gonna be tough.
We'll see.
Stay tuned.
Can't see you, Cloud. I can't see a thing.
Up! Come on! It's gonna come down. Now he's slick and he didn't let the air out of his tires. So now he's gonna fall right back again. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Commitment. No. Keep going. Right there. Come on! Come on! No! There you go. Yep.
I good?
No, go back. Try to go that way.
Oh shit. I have no idea.
Go that way. Hard uphill. Now here comes the Jeep. We gotta go.
Oh no, I didn't get back down the hill. We're stuck in the middle of the slow Jeep crew. Case, or you want me to? Are you gonna bypass it? Like Sean says, you're Mr. Bypass? You gonna bypass or do it?
I've already done it.
You say you've done a lot. I haven't seen you do any of it.
I've already done it.
So you're not gonna do it? Is that what you're saying? Dude, I couldn't believe how well the Maverick did when it was in four-wheel drive. I was shocked that I was able to get around the whole entire place in two-wheel drive. Only time I needed four-wheel drive was some of the extreme obstacles. So I was really impressed with the Maverick, and that Jeep of Clouds is just awesome. Thing is fast. Dude, the Maverick R is impressive. When the four-wheel drive is working and my sensor's not broken, that Maverick is just, it does everything so easy with 35s. It's crazy. We just watched the Jeep struggle up this, but I think it was more driver than Jeep. But it just keeps you so level. That's the great thing about the Maverick. All right, here we go. We got old Clout here. I just went up this like, it was just cake with the Maverick. He's doing a cake too.
Well, four-wheel drive was working. The thing was an animal. Stayed so level. That was awesome doing Escalator with that thing. I didn't think it would do so well. The old Jeep Gladiator did pretty good though. Whatever you wanted it to do, you did. But the old Jeep Safari out here, it was a great time out here, even though I'm in a side-by-side, but with all the Jeep friends, we had a great time out here. Moab's really good time. I mean, hell's revenge, that whole entire thing. I mean, I just drove the whole car today in two-wheel drive, and then the four-wheel drive was working. It would do the obstacles. So it was awesome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.